No hype, just truth.
If affiliate marketing feels overwhelming, too much tech, and no clear order, this is for you. The Affiliate Incubator Summit, co-hosted with JVZoo, is a free 3-day training. I'll show you what it is, who it's for, and how to get my exclusive bonus pack that turns the training into a plug-and-play system you can execute this week. The summit is a live virtual event focused on 3 pillars: the right traffic, the right offer, and using AI to work faster. The goal is a simple roadmap you can actually implement. No more random tactics or endless notes that go nowhere. Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they try to do everything at once. No order of operations, no benchmarks, no feedback loop. This summit narrows your focus to 3 levers: traffic, offer, AI. Work in that order and you'll see momentum fast, even with small daily time blocks. Step 1. Register free using the link below. Step 2. Attend the 3 theme days: traffic, offer, and AI. Step 3. Implement. And this is where most events drop the ball. You still need the setup, tracking, and a launch plan. That's why I built a bonus pack that removes the friction so you can go from notes to live in days. After any summit, you still need a fast tech setup, clear tracking, a micro-budget traffic routine, and unique angles so you don't sound like everyone else. My bonus pack is built to cover exactly that. Tech Ready in 90 minutes is a 1-page step-by-step checklist. Domain and DNS, opt-in and bridge pages, autoresponder tags and emails, link cloaking, Meta, Google Pixels, UTMs, and a quick QA. You'll know pages load fast, links track, and emails send before you ever pay for a click. The $10 a day Traffic Playbook is a 2-page plan. Start with $6 a day on Meta, add free reach via YouTube Shorts, and use Reddit Quora the right way. You get benchmarks, CTR, CPC, opt-in rate, plus kill, keep rules, a 72-hour action map, and a 7-day content cadence. The unique angle engine gives you 10 fill-in-the-blank AI prompts with examples, contrarian hooks, due diligence, bridge page bullets, story/proof, urgency emails, short-form scripts, DM openers, and post-purchase follow-up. Generate multiple options, pick a winner, and publish. No one can guarantee results in affiliate marketing. Niche, traffic quality, and consistency all matter. These bonuses remove friction so you can implement faster and smarter. If you're a beginner, a restarter, or a busy professional who wants a lean, test-first plan, the summit gives you the what and why. My bundle gives you the how and now. Use the link in the description to register free for the Affiliate Incubator Summit. After you sign up, forward your receipt to the email below with the subject Incubator Bonuses. I'll send you the 90-minute setup checklist, the $10 a day Traffic Playbook, and the unique angle engine prompts. They're exclusive to my link and built to help you launch in days, not months.